see. Oh, alive. Good morning, everybody. I'm Shauna, and this is Ring of Light Crafts. Welcome. I was trying to get the other computer done so I can see it well enough. But that's okay. I don't need to, right? Anyways, today we are going to take a Dollar Tree sign. And as you can tell, I was using it for an easel. So we're going to save it, okay? We're going to take this sign. This cord doesn't matter. I guess I can cut that off. And we are going to make our own little design out of pool paint. I want to do black and red. And a little bit of white, just because the white seems to give it some amazing cells. So, with that said, let's get started. I'm going to lower you guys down. Watch your beautiful eyes. I can't really tell who's here, so hello, hello, hello. I was hoping to get this other computer to work so I can see who's here, because I can't see on this phone. I want to say it's probably, oh, I can't tell. I'm sorry. Hello, travelers here. I appreciate you joining me. Anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. This is our little canvas, or yeah, I will say it's a canvas. And we'll just say it here. Can you guys see this whole thing? I hope so. Okay, so what we're going to do is I actually want the base to be black and not the green. So we're simply going to take our paint. Now this is already made with the mixing media. We're just going to pour it right on there. And I just had my brush. Literally just had my brush. You all know me, I'm a klutz. So we're just going to grab this very old brush here. And we're just going to go ahead and put this right over it. It's okay if it runs down the side, because you know what? It's going to run down the sides anyways. Matter of fact, it'd probably help if you can get it to start going down edges. So we'll just get that going. Just get it go down some of the edges. And I'm going to set this baby aside. So we shouldn't be needing this brush anymore. Let me get my other glove on here, guys. Because this particular mixing media does not like my skin. Okay, so now what we're going to do is the person I'm making this for would want red. So we're going to open up our red here. My container broke. And I have this little container here so I can show you what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead. I think we ought to do the white first. So technically it's going to be black, red, and white. But the white gives it such a, I don't know, I just love the white in it. I think it makes more cells. I'm just going to add some red. This isn't very big, so we're not going to add a lot. And I'm actually going to go ahead and take my black. I'm going to add just a dab of black on top. Just a dab, literally. And I think that's good. Because we already have this on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and add just a wee bit more. Don't really have to, I just want to make sure it does what I want it to do. And now we're just going to take it and we're going to pour it. We're just going to go nice and slow. I hope you can see that design it's making. That's pretty awesome. It's already making cells on the inside of the container, you guys. I will show you that in a few minutes here. We're just going to go ahead and get this to finish up here. I may not even have to really adjust it too much. Look at that. That's awesome. I'll go ahead and stop there. And we're just going to bring it some over here just so we make sure we have a little bit of white going here. Okay, good enough. Now let me show you the inside cells. See? See those beautiful cells? Didn't have to do nothing to get them either. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this to move. Okay, let's get a hold of it. Because we do kind of want to just spread this out. Yeah, we lose that white, we lose it, it's okay. It's not a big deal. And we're going to bring it back. You just keep rotating it. Make sure you get every single side that you can possibly get with this. Now remember, you do not have to cover the whole thing. I just want to get that little tiny edge right there. And let's just bring it back because I really like those cells. And that's really what we're after, is these cells. So let's just see if we can grab a little bit, spread them out. And we're going to go ahead and stop it right there. I'm going to take these gloves off. Look at the cells coming up. Can you guys see that? That's awesome. Okay. Then when we get our hair dryer, I'm going to turn it on low first, you guys, okay? Low heat. Bring it up high. And look at that. Just look what came out. As soon as the heat hit, see that? Even on the sides here, it's pretty awesome. I think what sucks is we may not get a lot through here like I thought we would. Yep. Alright guys, because I really do want some of those cells. I'm going to go ahead and touch it here. Probably shouldn't, but I'm going to. I'm going to see if we can get rid of some of the white. And maybe, if we have to, we will add more red. But I really, really, really want more cells. And for some reason, the white, as good as it is not doing what it normally does. So let's just get rid of it. Look how cool that looks. Oh my gosh. We don't have to get rid of all the white. We can just give it this pattern. I like that pattern. I like that right there. Okay, let me get my hands wiped off, you guys. We got this. What do you think of those? I think I like that so much better. Now let's see what little cells we can get in here to pop. Once again, we're going to bring this on low. Low, high. Let's just see what we get. We do have some cells coming right through here. Oh, here we go. Look at the crackle. I love the crackle. I know a lot of people don't. I particularly do, because there's so much you can do with those. So yeah, I just love the crackle. I hope you guys can see this well. I realize I have tape going across the front, so I can't tell how much you can actually see. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and get a little more air right through here. And we are going to stop. So, what do you guys think? I really like how it just pours here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn you just a little bit here. Let me see if you can see the top part of this here. There you go. Watch your eyes, guys. There we go. I just love this how it's pouring here. It's like it's pouring out of a cup or something. But I just love the cells. And then it comes down. And then it starts crackling. So that's pretty awesome. So, be amazed. This is something that I probably would have, a few years ago, thrown away. Because I ruined it. And now, with this new technique, you don't have to. So anyways, you guys, one thing about this I need to tell you is there's no silicone in here. Absolutely none. This is simply the basic, the flowing medium that I use, and acrylic paint, water, and glue. Reason why I put glue is I really love the crackling because I like to go over it and design on top of that. So that's why I tend to do that. So just so you know, a lot of people don't like the crackling, but I do. This one here, we're just going to have a very small crackle right over here. Let me turn you, see if you guys can see this. Just a very small crackling, which actually once this dries, that probably won't even be there. So here's all the beautiful cells just coming right through here. Reminds me of fire, you guys. It just, right through here, just reminds me of fire. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I know it's kind of fast, but I'm actually going to go off, and then I'm going to come right back on with another one, because I have another one of these we have to do, but this one is probably going to be just the orange and no red. So, anyways, because that's what was asked for by me, because my favorite color. Anyways, you guys, let me raise you back up here. Watch your beautiful, beautiful eyes. Oops, here we go. Maybe not. Okay, here we go. Alright, guys, coming back up. So, hello. Let's see who is here. Maybe it'll let me see. Hi, Brooklyn. Hi, Ruth. Welcome. I can't see who else is here, but at least I saw you guys. Whoever else is here, I'd be more than happy to say hi. I'd love to know what you guys think of this. Let me know what you think of pour painting. Is this something that you would do yourself? Or would you prefer not to? And it's okay, either way. It's okay. I'm just curious. Hi, Shirley. Welcome. I hope you guys really do enjoy pour painting. I actually do. While I'm in school, it's been so hectic because of the virus. I can't say the name correctly. Hi, Matilda. Welcome. Hope I said your name correctly. So school has been hectic. So hectic that coming on lives like I planned to and showing you guys everything that we're doing and doing it together became overwhelming because of the way the virus and everything has interfered with the school itself. So hoping our next class, which will be in the fall, will change that because it's going to be basic drawing, and I would love to be able to do that with you. As long as we are free from this. So anyways, you guys, if you would, let me know what you truly, honest to God, think about paint pouring. Do you think it's a waste of time, a waste of paint? Another good thing to do with paint pouring, and I intended to today, is if you're pouring something, put it on top of another canvas, so any of that excess paint can go to that, and you can start another one. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go off, and then I will be back on within probably 5 minutes. So give me that little bit of time to switch out the projects. Anyways, as always, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget, be blessed.